Unplugging the Mystery, the 3.5mm Headphone Jack. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's quite familiar yet often overlooked. The 3.5mm Headphone Jack. This small component plays a big role in our daily audio experiences, from listening to music to making calls with earphones. Let's unravel the secrets behind this tiny yet powerful technology. The 3.5mm headphone jack is a standard size for an audio connector that you can find on many devices, such as smartphones, laptops, and music players. It's called 3.5mm because of its diameter size, making it one of the most common audio jack sizes in the world. This jack allows you to connect headphones, earphones, or external speakers to your device, enabling audio playback directly into your ears. The 3.5mm jack has a rich history, originally stemming from the 19th century. It was first used in telephone switchboards, and over time, it evolved into the compact form we know today. Initially, there were larger versions, such as the 6.35mm, or 1/4 inch, jack. But the 3.5mm version became popular due to its convenient size and portability, fitting perfectly with the advent of personal electronic devices. There are mainly two types of 3.5mm jacks, TS, TRS, and TRRS, differing in their ring configurations. TS, tip, sleeve, jacks are the simplest form, used for mono audio signals. TRS, tip, ring, sleeve, jacks support stereo audio signals, allowing for left and right audio channels. TRRS, tip, ring, sleeve, jacks add an extra ring for microphone input or video signals, making them ideal for earphones with built-in microphones. Despite the rise of wireless technology, the 3.5mm headphone jack remains a staple in many devices. It's prized for its simplicity, reliability, and direct connection, offering high-quality audio without the need for batteries or charging. However, some manufacturers have begun to phase out the 3.5mm jack in favor of wireless or USB-C alternatives, sparking debate among audio enthusiasts and general users alike. We hope this video has shed some light on the 3.5mm headphone jack, a small but significant part of our audio experience. Whether you're plugging in your favorite headphones or connecting a speaker, this jack has stood the test of time, offering a simple and effective way to enjoy music and sound. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content.